It's not only cassava and the plantain that you can use. Please, you can also use jam to mix with the cassava. Please guys, you can join us here to enjoy our food.
So the chicken meat.
You enjoy it.
Meat.
You better try it soon. It's very nice.
Sorry. Please try this in your house. It's okay. It's so nice.
And it's so easy to prepare.
It's so easy. If you don't have mortar and you feel like eating fufu, just some few minutes you finish cooking. Subscribe. Hello lovely family, welcome back to Eagle Eye Angle. We are so happy that you guys have been following us. You have been subscribing and liking and sharing. We say thank you, we love you so much. Continue to do that for us. That will encourage us to do more videos and then bring it out. In today's video, we are going to use chicken to make light soup. Then also enjoy it with fufu. And the fufu that we are going to do it, we are not going to do it as a normal one that we have been doing, but we are going to show you guys a new way to make easiest fufu in your home. So guys, take your seat and watch out. My auntie is going to introduce the ingredients in tree for you guys. I love you. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share and give your comments. Thank you.
And then you know, fufu. And see ye akokon kwan. And in a home akadie, not to so dear any. Mako, and toast. A jane and near kakadro. And kitten. A surisa, a formurisa. Garrick, I debay. And it precase. And kruma. Na ya kwa unsusu ya kantosi enchene akoko banche body.
Hi lovers of fufu, welcome back again to another exciting fufu and light soup video. If you're new to our channel, you're welcome. Eagle Eye and the entire team is grateful to you for all the support. Victoria is happy that you guys love our videos, and she said I should tell you thank you. So today on the menu is what we're about to bring to you guys: fufu and light soup and chicken. With this fufu is not the regular. This is why this video is a big deal, because we have you guys in mind that do not live in Ghana, that do not live in Africa, that lives in foreign countries where you do not have access to something like pestle and mortar to pound your fufu in peace, and you have been eating neat fufu that has preservative in it. But today we bring you guys good news, because Victoria she discovered a new way to make fufu. Even if you do not have a pestle and mortar, you still have access to your yummy fresh fufu like you are in Ghana. And even the fun part is this is even healthier than the one we have always been eating. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe if you have not, share this video because someone needs it, as we dive straight into the video. Now don't forget to leave your thought. If you have any recipe requests, Victoria got you covered. So already, as always, our chicken, we're going to steam that on fire, and we had our ginger, our salt, onions, everything into that chicken. We place it on fire so that it can be steaming while we go. Right now our tomato and onions and pepper is somewhere, you know, cooking, so we are going to blend all of that and add it. So we like to do our governor like this so that it will bring the scent. In case you have not seen a video of Victoria cooking this prekese before, this is how she roasts it on fire That way it scents so good. Okay, don't forget to follow every single step that you see in this video and other videos from on this channel. So we already blended our tomato, like the boiled tomato, pepper and onions, and this is what it looks like right now. It's getting real and I cannot wait to see. So we added our okra and our prekese, and we are going to stir and make sure that everything is almost ready, like the salt, everything is on point, and then we're going to cover that up and go back to the other side of things, which is the fufu that we want you to see. This type of fufu that you may not have seen before. Today we got you covered. Okay, all right, by this time I hope that you already liked the video. Okay, so it is given already. This is what to do. Fresh, this plantain is just fresh from the farm behind the house. Victoria made sure that she washed it thoroughly and slice it, like dice it like this, and then she's going to dice it like this in smaller pieces. Okay, do this especially if your blender is not very strong. Even if your blender is strong, do this. It's going to save you the stress. It won't take longer to blend. If you don't do this, it might take you a long time. So when you dice it like this, it makes it very easy for you to blend. So with our washed cassava, peeled washed cassava, we are going to dice it like we did with the plantain, just like so, in tiny pieces. Do this and thank me later. Okay, so she did everything and had it into her strong blender and added water. Please, I would advise you add a lot of water, because Victoria added water and then kept on adding. But if I were you, I would just add plenty of the water. Okay, do not worry about the consistency you will get after blending this, because when you put it on fire and stir, everything is going to come around and you are going to thank me later. Okay, so everything you see here is properly washed. So we're going to put this together, add some water and go blend it smooth. Make sure it is smooth. Okay, blend it smooth and bring it back here. So you hold on and see what we do with this. Now we added water, not as much water as I would advise you add, okay, to save the life of your blender. So now it is blended and this is what we get. Okay, this is getting very interesting. So everything, Victoria poured it into the pot and cover it up and place it on fire. By this time Auntie is already making the fire, and we are going to place the pot on fire and leave it to boil. Okay, leave it to boil for a while. All right, during this time you don't have to stir if you're not ready. The fun part is this it does not mold. You don't just go like start to mold. Okay, so everything will just come out perfect. So stir like this, like Victoria is stirring now, and keep stirring. Okay, don't worry, keep stirring, keep watching, keep stirring, and we are almost there. This is almost the finished look. Oh my goodness, did you know about this before? In case you do, comment down below. If you did not, comment down below, and please don't forget to like and share this video. Somebody needs this. Somebody needs this video. You don't have to buy neat fufu. For some of us that struggle to eat neat fufu because we like the homemade, the original Ghanaian authentic fufu, do this. Okay, so we keep stirring and stirring and stirring, and what Victoria did is she decided to cover it a little bit for it to boil properly, because cassava is in there. If it's just for the plantain, it would have been ready. Mind you, you can do this with only the plantain or the cassava, but because we are Ghanaians, we know our fufu to be plantain and cassava, so we had it mixed. And you can do this as well with yam and cassava, or yam and plantain, but we recommend this particular one you're looking at in this video. Victoria is too much. Come on, give her a thumbs up already and leave her a nice comment for giving you something new that and refreshing that you didn't know before. So this is our finished look and I cannot wait for you for the review. A lot of people came around today and they are going to eat this food and give their honest review if this should be or we should continue to do neat fufu. I mean, this is for those of you outside of Ghana who do not have access to mortar and pestle. Now this is what our light soup looks like. Everything is cooked and smells so good. The aroma is on point and Victoria confirmed it. Whenever you see Victoria smile so much after cooking, I mean when she's testing the food, the salt, just know that she's about to receive so many compliments from everyone that eats the food. And here is the finished look. Thank you for watching. Keep watching, okay, for honest review.
I did mine. You can just buy your plantain and then cassava, you blend it, you start cooking. It's so nice. It's not only cassava and the plantain that you can use. Please, you can also use jam to mix with the cassava to do it, or with the plantain.
And they are very palatable.
Guys, welcome back once again to Eagle Eye Angle. As you can see, we are having our fufu here with our chicken meats, with our local light soup. Yeah, to those outside Ghana, we are aware that most of you are not allowed to use your pestle and your mortar outside over there, so you can just mix it with your cassava, your plantain, whatever the ingredient is. You just mix it together without the use of pestle and cassava, just like you said everything when we started. Like, comment, and then finally you subscribe. Don't forget to share. Thank you.
Quite a chicken meat.
You enjoy it.
Meat.
You better try it soon. It's very nice.
Sorry.
Maybe I was for. Maybe I'm going to go to the I coconut and Mary. Coconut. For 9 pounds, American. Then near the papa.
Yeah, I'm enjoying it too. Please try this in your house. It's okay. It's so nice.
And it's so easy to prepare.
It's so easy. If you don't have mortar and you feel like eating fufu, just some few minutes you finish cooking.
Yeah.
It's so
really
easy
nice
to prepare. So try this. Maybe it's so healthy. Plantain, we use it raw like that. We did not peel it, so it's so healthy for us. So please try it. So don't throw the chaff or.
As you can see, the process is very rich in vitamin C, vitamin we call it calcium, and so other vitamins. I share.
No, there's the subscribe that is there.
Oh. Yes. I was saying, you can see how this food go through a certain process. Now,
Isa.
I swear, don't just call it a fufu. I beg, call it a medicine. Very medicated soup and very medicated fufu through a medicated process.
Hi there. We'd like to appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on all our videos. We wouldn't have been here without you. Keep watching Eagle Eye Angle. We are the best.